mommies. Did you miss us? Of course we missed you. I know we've had too many inquiries about why we're not here, why we've not started. Finally, we're here. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ late ಆದ್ರೂ latest ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I know.
So hi everyone, this is Aishwarya Hari Rakesh, and you know that we're all about uplifting moms, talking about mom guilt, mompreneurs, and everything mom.
Mommy.
Yeah. Today is a little different. Here we have.
Hey, hi. This is Ashita Nachappa. Here we are together to talk more about mom guilt. No, wait. To talk about all inspiring mompreneurs. So let's begin. Aishu.
So ಇವತ್ತಿನ guest, actually wait, ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Should we play a little guessing game with our listeners?
Are you sure?
Just one clue.
Yes. Yaru.
So she is this person who designs a girl's best friend. So she
Yes,
is
best
our
friend.
best friend.
Mama!
Alva,
Yes.
don't, we're not sorry, we have our kids there.
Yeah.
Making all the rackets. So this is a very unfiltered podcast as we promised you.
Correct.
Getting back to who we're talking about, let Ashi do the talking right.
So here we are. Please welcome the very inspiring, ever beautiful, ever talented, who turned out all her struggles into thriving jewelry business. Please welcome Yashashwini Reddy.
Hi guys, how are you?
And to mention, she's mom of twins.
A moment of silence for that.
Okay, that's quite a introduction. I think I should frame it in my studio.
Yes,
Just love
yes.
it. Thank you guys. It's kind of uplifting. I think we all mom need.
So how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you guys?
How are you after a long time?
I know,
We
right?
first need a huggy.
Oh, they know each other from a
We
very
are
long
childhood
time.
Yeah, childhood buddies.
We are childhood friends. We lived in the same lane.
Yes, same lane. And I mean, we are mommies now.
Mom is now, I know.
Yeah.
I think one quick snippet, the last time we met before we did the podcast, both of them were talking about how, can you believe your mothers now?
I know, right? Can we believe?
I know. My
On that
God.
note, Yeah.
We ourselves are kids.
I
Can you
know.
believe your mothers now?
Exactly.
So thank you for inviting us to your beautiful studio, Yashu.
Thank you so much for making part of your podcast. And yeah, so how you guys like my designs?
We love it. We have so much to ask.
Yeah, I
you,
know.
actually.
Yeah, before coming in, we peeked into all her designs, and it's, trust me, okay, that's again coming.
Yes. So as we said, diamonds are girl's best friend. She's the one who designs all of them.
Yeah.
Goals, diamonds, gemstones. She'll tell you everything about it. Her knowledge is impeccable and something we all got to learn.
Correct.
So,
So coming about gems, I think mom's strength is the rare gem.
Anytime.
True.
And how do we, how do you specialize diamonds? Like, was it your inbuilt strength that you started designing? Or it
Purely
came up
design.
after motherhood?
Sorry for.
Journey
Okay.
of designing. How did you start?
I always wanted to become a jewelry designer. So I never wanted to
Okay.
any normal degree. So then like back in then, our mothers usually had no knowledge about jewelry designing or any fashion industry. So they wanted us degree ಮುಗಿದ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ ಆಯ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕತೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕತೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿರೋದು. So but then I used to design my designs, and then I designed for a couple of companies. I freelanced for a few jewelry industry.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.
So this is after kids or before kids?
Before.
Okay.
Before kids. Then
So
after
you started
kids,
your career initially.
initially, yes. So all tiny designs. So whatever I usually I wore, that's all my design. So I used to go to market, explore and know what's new in the market, what's new in the trend, and everything. So usually, if everyone travels for whatever the fantasy they have, I always travel for finding new designs, or how is the market in that particular state. So that's how my journey started, and then after kids I thought I'll give a try for this. Maybe I wanted to know more. I lack in knowledge. So then it struck my mind I have to do diamond grading in gemology. So then I started going to college.
So that's our diamond girl.
So I started going to college, and then I did course in diamond grading as well as gemology. Then everything started. So I'm in industry for the past 2 years.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
How did you come across that, okay, I have to start my own brand?
That's something that's always in my mind. I always wanted to do something, how do I tell? I always wanted to become independent. Financially independent, of course, we all want.
I remember you being independent from before.
Yes. So, and jewelry is something which I love. It's my passion. More than anything I love. And we all women love jewelry, of course.
Yes,
We all
yes,
do.
definitely.
But maybe I can say I'm obsessed.
Okay.
I'm
A
obsessed.
little more than obsessed.
A little more than obsessed, yeah, exactly. So that's how it all started. So from a tiny sketch to it turned out to be this today.
That's beautiful.
So Yash, one more question. I know we're all about questions today.
I know, right?
When you were building your brand, what was that one turning point that you'd like to talk about, and also the challenges that you faced? You're a mom of two. Yeah. So how is it? You're a mom of two, and what are the challenges that you faced? Balancing life there and
I don't say it was easy for me. Definitely, there was lots to tackle, and lots of mom guilt. Sometimes, I used to be late home, and when I go home, they're already sleeping. And again, when I have to, in the morning they go to school, and then I'll come to the work. So this is how it used to be. Eventually, I started. I started to learn balancing home, kids, and the store and everything. So, how do I tell? As days goes by, everything you will handle it.
That's true.
I think that's how we all women does things, right? So, yeah. Now I feel it's easy.
It's easy.
It's easy.
It's like this. No.
I don't say that, but I always, how do I tell? I make things easy. I'll plan the schedule. So I'll make a prep. So, I'll make it easy. And when it comes to turning point, I was selected to perform to design for a fashion show that was
Amazing.
by Oak Institute, the one in Bangalore.
Okay.
So that was quite challenging for me, and from design, from scratch to everything I had to take care.
Mm-hmm.
And I also wanted to know where do I stand, if at all, if I can manage everything. I think I'm good to go for the next step. So then I designed for the fashion show, and my concept was again a women. It's all about the women.
Yes.
The whole necklace
Women
speaks
empowerment.
about overall from the childhood to our teenage, and
And she has that in store. She'll show you later.
everything, overall our life.
Yeah.
I can say our
Okay.
struggles, our happiness, everything. Love to pay everything. Motherhood also. So, and I was also awarded as the best concept designer for that show.
Good.
And then I gained some confidence. I thought, yes, I think I'm good to go to get into the industry. And jewelry industry it's too big. It's too big, and it's every day you get to learn something. Every day you get to learn something. And I enjoy my work. So that's how everything started.
Amazing. Hey, have your kids ever given you business ads?
Yes, they did. Yes, they did. Mama, go to shop. make more money. Let's buy a car. Let's buy a big car.
Motivation, right?
Yeah, let's buy a big car. My son loves cars, so he wants to buy all the race cars. We'll buy car, mama.
That's cool. Okay.
And my daughter loves, again she loves jewelry. And she, Mama, you designed this for me, you designed that for me.
Like mama, like daughter.
Yeah, exactly. So that's again, it's like a booster for me.
That's true.
Yeah, so I enjoy.
Right. Isn't that inspiring already?
Already, yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So, on that note, as we're talking about your kids and your business, what was that one challenge or maybe the challenges that you faced as a mom? I know daily you face challenges. As you said, you're learning every day. But would you like to talk about one or two challenges?
As I already told you, the mom guilt is the biggest drawback for us. But the biggest challenge I faced is that when living them for whole day and staying away was not easy. I had to travel, I had to, be away from them. So that's all kind of painful where I couldn't express. And at the same time, taming kids also very important. They're just 6 years now. So it's quite challenging for me there. Balancing kids, balancing the stove was not easy for me. Even this is new. This is also like a child. Like how we take care of
a baby.
A baby
Yes.
for me. So it was not that easy. But as I told you, eventually I learned things. So I to schedule everything, I have to prep everything. And luckily I have help. So
That's
take
great.
care of everything. So I think
Blessed.
I'm blessed and I'm surrounded with such positive people where they help me out in everything.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So my mom.
Like, how do you handle that mom guilt when the business gets demanding?
I'll
How do
see.
you handle it? How do you balance?
Okay. Let's see. I prioritize first, which is so definitely if my kid is sick, I cannot come to the store and give appointments for the clients.
Correct.
So I stay at home. They are important. So when I have a huge demand in the store or there's an event happening in the store, or more people come.
That can wait.
That can wait. That's
Correct.
okay. The end can wait. Kids comes first. And when everything is fine, I think I'll prioritize my store. As I mentioned, this is also my baby. So I'll manage with both.
We all have too many hands, no?
Yeah, too many hands. Again, like she said, priority is important. So you choose what to prioritize.
And main thing what I feel is you should not listen to anyone. You should always go with our gut.
That's the last one. Yeah.
You should never listen like whatever they say. Sometimes people might motivate us or demotivate us also, but I think it all depends how you take it.
Correct.
That's
Just
how
part and parcel of life. True.
Yeah.
True. Right? On that note, has there been a time where you want to give up, or was there a situation where you're like, okay, now I have to give up, and how did you get through?
give up in the sense the business.
Give up, like just give up.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I never felt that. I knew it. I could do it. So that's why I call this is also my baby.
Yeah.
Mom don't give up on their babies, right? No matter what. We all relate to that.
Yes,
So
yes.
I never wanted to give up, neither on my kids or my stove. I knew it. As days goes by, I learn things. I learn to manage. Yeah, I'm doing fine.
Awesome.
I know, like there have been times where all of us are like, wow, what are we doing? We just want to give up. What's happening? But then as she said, we don't give up on our babies.
Yeah, we never give up on babies. We give up on everything but not our kids. Right?
Right.
It's so mom instinct, right? Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, one advice you want to give all the moms out there who want to begin a business, something of their own, but somewhere they are scared, held back. What would you like to tell them?
Only the first step takes a lot of courage and guts. But trust me guys, go with your gut. Then everything will be easy.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we're just as far as we are from here to our first step to go for that future.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
And being more independent is very important.
Very important.
Financially, mentally, in all aspects.
And that, I think we women, and especially as a mother, we need to set up an example to our kids.
True.
Yes. So
Yes.
we all ace in our their respective fields. So I think we all can handle it, and we can handle kids,
Exactly.
chaos
When we can handle all the chaos at home,
at home. Why can't we
it's
handle
not a big deal outside.
outside? Trust me, guys.
Yes, yes.
Like this.
Yeah, I think most of us when we're breaking and we have a breaking point also we're like, no, my kid, I have to be your example.
True.
So we mostly power through only because of that
Absolutely.
Exactly.
point. So I think we've covered
Most of the questions.
and we wanted to have like a fun round, like we're not in coffee with Tarun, but we would like to start our own coffee with Ace.
I know, right?
So some questions, just fun.
Okay.
But before that, it was great to know all, everything about you, about the business, how you started it. We were inspired, and we're sure our listeners will be even more inspired. Okay, so you have to describe your brand in three words. What would it be? What would it be?
Luxury, timeless, and prestigious.
No. It's luxurious, it's timeless, and prestigious. So I would wanna have something, right? So
With all your drinks, designed a piece.
Okay,
piece.
okay.
What will it be? What will it be?
If my son designed, definitely the Spider-Man, studded with diamonds according to the color of the Spider-Man, the red and blue, whatever. I think not many of our, in India, at least in India, are not aware of colors of diamonds, right? Like we get all colors of diamonds.
Oh really?
All
I thought it was
colors.
only white.
No.
Okay.
Black, blue, red, whatnot. We also have champagne color.
Oh, that's
So
amazing.
that's the fun, pretty good thing. So I think maybe red diamonds and blue diamonds would go on the Spider-Man. And then if it's my daughter, of course, unicorn.
Her favorite is also unique.
Girls, right?
All the girls
All the
say
girls love unicorn, right?
I didn't know you guys
Oh, yes, colors. Neither.
We do.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Not many watches have to give us such a
Correct.
Basically, we know diamonds, this is diamonds, and we will close it and we will
Yes.
That's
These are called fancy diamonds. You get
Okay.
all colors,
And so they're
all
as-
natural.
they're as precious as your diamonds. Or that is a diamond itself. So
They are also diamonds. Just that they inherit some properties where they have colors.
That's nice.
Some chemical reactions or whatever it happens inside the earth. So it's all natural.
So just what I wanted to add was, as you said, diamonds have inherent different properties from the earth. See, just like us mothers, our mother earth is so nurturing and has so many properties, gives into these precious stones,
Absolutely.
which we mothers adorn later on, thanks to you.
I know.
Right? There's another question I think that we wanted to ask you. What's next for the brand?
What next in the brand?
You have anything coming up?
I'm planning to use more of gemstones. Not much of, at least in Bangalore, not aware of gemstones. So I'm planning to use wide variety of gemstones which is available. Not just emeralds and rubies. We don't only have emeralds and rubies.
Yeah, that's all you
There-
know about.
Oh, there are lakhs of gemstones. Just tell me the color, I'll give you the list of gemstones.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Okay.
just name the color, I'll give you the list. So it goes like that. So I'm planning to, give the more designs and gemstones with the diamonds. And also I have a plans of introducing watches,
Oh,
the
great.
customized watches
Okay. And bags.
and bags all.
I would want those bags.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Right.
So,
And Personally, when all of us were getting married, we had our clothes, and then we would make sure that we get our jewelry. Or we're like, oh, this is the jewelry. Let's wear clothes like this. So now you
Perfect
don't
matching.
have to worry about
Exactly.
anything. You just
Exactly.
come to her, and she'll make sure you look beautiful as ever. Right?
That's the thing. Yes. Yes.
And
should start shopping.
and every single stone is being monitored by us, and you know we make sure it's in a good quality. So
Correct.
whatever I give to the clients, it should be the best.
And also custom made.
Custom made,
Whatever we
yeah.
show, she just does that replica piece.
Yeah, customized, personalized, monitored with a lot of precision.
Correct.
And lots of hard work, love, just like the way she called it.
Yeah.
Baby, right?
You can see in her designs.
You'll have to wait for that. I'm telling you, it's worth it. So, thank you so much for getting us to your beautiful studio. We loved it. It is so beautiful. Eshteliದ್ರು, honestly, kammine agate. The collections are beautiful, and we really hope that you love the podcast as much as we love showcasing it to you. We have our mompreneur. Your journey is very inspiring, Yashu.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me for your podcast. First of all, congratulations for you guys. I wish you all success in this podcast.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we have a lucky mascot.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's nice meeting you after ages, Ashu.
Nice to meet you too.
Should I feel little? So yes, mommies, here we go. This was our podcast. I hope you loved it. I hope you have inspired. All you have to know is you're just one step away from taking that step towards your future. We did it together. I had
Yes.
the best friend with me, and I met her childhood friend who is doing such an amazing job. Go check their page out, go stalk us, do all the stalking possible until you get to know us and meet us again. And
Cheers
stay
to
alpha.
Alpha Mommies.
Yeah. Stay alpha. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Cute.